You are watching this video right now for a reason. Your guardian angels have an urgent message for you, something that cannot wait. Only 3 hours are left, and it's time to pay attention. Do you feel the energy around you shifting, as if something big is about to happen? It's not your imagination, it's a clear sign that a powerful transformation is coming. At this moment, you are being called to awaken and align with something greater than you can understand right now. It may seem daunting, but I am here to guide you through this process. What you are about to hear can transform your life, so open your heart, your mind, and your soul to this message. 3 hours may seem short, but it's enough for everything to change. You are at the center of an energetic convergence, where your decisions and actions carry immense weight. Do you feel that tension, that nervousness? It's the energy intensifying around you. This is your red alert. Something very important is about to happen, and how you react now could define the course of your life going forward. Perhaps you have felt lost, directionless, or distracted by daily problems. But this is your call to awaken. It's time to set aside distractions, fears, and doubts, and focus on what truly matters. With every passing second, divine timing is in your favor, offering a chance to realign with your deepest purpose. Do not ignore this call. Are you ready for this change? How will you react when the moment arrives? Don't put it off. Time is running out. Have you ever stopped to think, what does this limited deadline mean? Why the rush? The answer lies in the transformation that is to come. There are moments in life when everything simply falls into place, creating unique opportunities to leave behind what no longer serves and to follow a new path. And you are experiencing one of those moments. Everything you carry until now, fears, insecurities, pending decisions, needs to stay in the past. It is time to set yourself free. The next steps you take are essential. Your actions now will determine what comes next. Although the idea of being on high alert may generate anxiety, I want you to see this in another way, as a special invitation to take control of your destiny. I am here to remind you that you are not alone, that there is a greater force guiding your every movement, and that this moment, despite the challenges, is an incredible opportunity for your transformation. Yes, you feel the weight of the decisions you need to make, but you also know deep down that this is the moment to act. Look around you and evaluate your life. What has been holding you back? What fears and regrets still tie you to the past? Right now, at this very moment, it is time to face them, because time is not on your side. You have only a few hours, but they are more than enough if you open your heart to the guidance I am offering. Every decision you make from now on will directly influence the next phase of your life. Therefore, I ask that you stay present, focused, and do not let anything distract you. The official announcement you are about to make does not come from outside, but from within you. Your soul has already been preparing for this, and now it is time to act. It is a call to live aligned with the purpose that has already been planted in you since the beginning. Have you ever felt that, deep down, you know exactly what you need to do? That intuition, that inner voice that guides you? Now is the time to act without hesitation. It's time to move forward with faith, not just believing in the strength that guides you, but also trusting in yourself. You already have everything you need to make the right decision and take the next steps. The only thing that can hold you back now is uncertainty, but know that you are stronger than you think. These next 3 hours may seem quick in the grand journey of life, but they are enough for a complete transformation, if you are willing to open yourself to it. Are you afraid of change? It's normal to feel that way. I know the unknown can be frightening, but remember, I am with you every step of the way. I would never lead you to something that isn't for your greater good. This is your moment. Your progress is within reach, but you need to take the first step. Why let fear hold you back or doubt take over? You can do it, and I'm here to remind you that you have the strength and capability to face whatever comes next. With every passing second, it feels like time is speeding up, and you sense that you are being led to something greater. It's as if the universe is conspiring for you to finally take the reins of your life. And it is happening. You are being guided to a moment of clarity, where everything that was once uncertain begins to make sense. But to achieve this clarity, you need to act now, with determination. Life is full of crucial moments, and this is one of the most significant for you. Do you feel you are at a crossroads, unsure of which direction to take? Perhaps you are stuck in a cycle of doubts, afraid of what lies ahead. But I want you to know that this fear is normal and doesn't need to paralyze you. Now is the time to trust in your inner strength and the divine guidance that is always by your side. The next few hours are a rare opportunity, where your decisions have a greater impact than ever. It's not just about choosing a path, it's about making the right choice, the one that truly reflects who you are and the mission you came to fulfill. And even though this may seem daunting, remember that you are not alone. Your angels are with you, guiding every step, sending signs, and protecting you to follow the path you were meant to take. What have you been feeling lately? A sense that something is going to change? A restlessness that you can't ignore? This is your spirit trying to communicate, preparing you for what is to come. A revelation is about to happen, something that will transform the way you see yourself and the world around you. And this transformation is in your hands. You may be wondering what this official announcement is that is coming. Perhaps you expect external news, something from outside. But the true transformation begins within you. This announcement is not about something that will happen in the external world. It's about a change that is happening in your soul. It is the awakening of a new consciousness, a new way of seeing life and living your truth. Believe in yourself and the journey you are on. Are you ready for this change? Feel this moment and allow yourself to grow. The best is yet to come. For a long time, you may have felt stuck, living a life that wasn't entirely yours, following paths you didn't truly choose. Have you thought about changing that now? Every second, there is a call to action, to leave behind fears and insecurities, and embrace the freedom to be who you truly are. There is a decision that you know you need to make. Maybe it's something you've been avoiding, something you've postponed out of fear of the unknown. But what if these next 3 hours are more than just time? What if they are a chance to confront what you have been avoiding and choose the path that, deep down, you know is right? Even if you don't have all the answers now, the simple act of deciding is already a significant step toward transformation. The universe is waiting for you, ready to support this leap of faith. By taking this step, you will realize that there are powerful forces in your favor, opening doors you never imagined. You are stronger than you think, and this is the moment to prove it to yourself. Uncertainty may seem scary, but it is also where the potential to grow and change lies. Remember the times when you overcame challenges in the past. When life seemed impossible, and yet, you found the strength to move forward. Those experiences were not in vain, they prepared you for this moment. Every obstacle you have faced and every battle you have fought shaped you and strengthened you, so that now you can face what is to come with courage and confidence. Are you ready to take this step? The opportunity is here, waiting for you. Let's embark on this journey of transformation together. Of course. Here is the text rephrased in a more engaging and humanized way. Have you ever felt pressured, as if time wasn't on your side? Instead of looking at these hours as a countdown, how about seeing them as a special invitation? An invitation to let go of what no longer serves you, release the weights that hold you back, and embrace what is to come with hope and enthusiasm. After all, what lies ahead is greater than anything you have experienced so far. The clock may be ticking, but that doesn't mean you need to rush. In fact, this is the perfect moment to be present and truly connect with what you really desire for your life. Time may feel short, but the possibilities are endless. And remember, you have the power to turn these next hours into something extraordinary. As you take a deep breath and feel the energy around you, realize that this is a unique moment, where time and space align to offer you a special opportunity. With each passing second, you are closer to a profound revelation, something that will transform your life in ways you can't even imagine yet. But for that to happen, it's essential that you remain present, attentive to what's happening around you and most importantly, inside you. Have you ever noticed how sometimes life seems to speed up, as if the universe wants to show you something new? This is one of those moments. There is a message, a truth about to be revealed in your life, but this will only happen if you are willing to listen, feel, and accept what is coming. Now is the time to tune in to your intuition, that inner voice that has always been with you, but may have been sidelined by the distractions of everyday life. I hope this version resonates better with you and your readers. Your angels are communicating with you now, whispering advice and guidance. They have been following your journey, witnessing your challenges, your moments of uncertainty, but also your strength and resilience. And that's why they are here, at this very moment, to remind you that you have never been alone. The path to this point has been difficult, but every step was essential to prepare you for this moment of decision. Have you ever stopped to think about how life often tests us with situations that seem insurmountable? These challenges are not here to bring you down, but to shape you, strengthen you, and prepare you for the next stage of your spiritual journey. And now, as you face the next 3 hours, remember that everything you have experienced so far has just been the beginning of what is to come. Don't you feel it? A change is about to happen, something grand. It's as if the environment around you is full of potential, waiting to manifest. But for this transformation to occur, you need to make a decision. Not just any decision, but the one that your heart knows is right. Perhaps you have postponed this choice out of fear of the unknown or insecurity. But the time has come to act. I understand that it can be frightening, that the idea of change brings anxiety. But remember, change is the only constant in life. By embracing it, you open yourself up to possibilities you never imagined. The unknown may seem intimidating, but it is where the true opportunities for growth and transformation lie. Are you ready to take that step? Time does not stop, and I want you to focus on what truly matters. Have you ever thought about what your deepest desires are? What makes your heart race? What brings you true joy? These are the things you should seek, the truths you need to honor. After all, life is not about avoiding risks, but about living with purpose, passion, and the certainty that you are on the right path. The next few hours are crucial. They represent a unique opportunity, a moment that could change the course of your life in the coming months or even years. To seize this chance, you need courage, faith, and the assurance that something greater is guiding you. Your angels are by your side, ready to hold your hand and help you take the next step. But that step needs to be yours. This is your moment to free yourself from everything that holds you back from growing. Leave behind the doubts, fears, and insecurities that made you feel limited and prevented you from living fully. Now is the time to spread your wings and head toward the destiny that has always been yours. Even if you cannot see the whole path ahead, know that each step is guided by forces that only wish for your good. Time is passing, but you don't need to panic. On the contrary, it is a call to act and transform. Every second is a new chance to choose love, faith, and trust the divine process. Remember, you are not alone. I am here with you, your angels are too, and together we will go through this phase in a way that will lead you to a richer, fuller life aligned with your true purpose. Doors are opening for you, and all you need to do is take the next step. Trust, take a deep breath, and move forward. What is to come is greater than you ever imagined. Time does not stand still, and it's important to remember that each moment is precious. You are about to begin something new, and the decisions you make now will shape your future. Are you nervous about the uncertainties? Remember that it is precisely in the unknown that we find the greatest opportunities for growth and fulfillment. The next hours are an incredible chance to focus on what truly matters, leave behind what no longer serves you, and embrace what is to come with confidence and gratitude. Have you ever stopped to think that you are always protected, no matter what happens? A higher force is guiding your steps, knowing exactly what you need and when you need it. Does it seem like time is working against you? In fact, it is on your side, propelling you toward a destiny greater than you can imagine. Feeling the weight of your decisions? This feeling is not meant to scare you, but to show you how important what you are about to do is. Every choice you make has a profound impact, not only on your life but also on the world around you. Are you starting to realize that your actions are part of a bigger plan? Life rarely offers us opportunities like this. How many times have we lost ourselves in the daily routine and concerns, forgetting to see the bigger picture? This is your moment to disconnect from those distractions and focus on what truly matters. Have you thought about the people you love or the things that genuinely bring you joy? What makes your heart beat faster? These are the things you should cherish and pursue. Have you ever found yourself hesitating or filled with doubts in important moments? Well, now is not the time for that. This is the moment to act with determination and truly commit to your growth and well-being. Are you ready to take the first step? The universe is waiting for you to do that, and by doing so, you will see how opportunities begin to arise, doors open, and life flows in a way that you may have never experienced before. I know that the decisions you face can seem overwhelming. But have you thought that you don't have to solve everything at once? Start with what is in front of you. Trust what your heart says is the next right step. As you move forward, the path will become clearer, the options more evident, and you'll be guided at every stage. Do you really believe you can be more capable than you imagine? Within you lies a strength that has been shaped by the trials and challenges you have already overcome. This strength has brought you this far and will take you even further. Do not underestimate the power you have or the impact of your choices, not only in your life but in the lives of those around you. Now, with these 3 hours coming to an end, how about making a promise to yourself? Promise that you will not let fear or doubt control your actions. Promise that you will allow yourself to grow, change, and evolve, even if it means leaving behind what is familiar. Promise that you will open your heart to love, joy, and the possibility of a better future. Did you know that your angels are celebrating this moment with you? They know how much you have worked, suffered, and grown to get here. And they are ready to guide you through what is to come. All you need to do is trust. Trust in yourself, trust in the process, and believe that everything is happening for your greater good. You are not alone. You have always been and will always be. With every step you take, every decision you make, your angels are by your side, guiding, protecting, and encouraging you. And now, as we reach the end of this video, I want you to know that this is just the beginning. The beginning of a new phase, a new life, a new you. Time may be passing quickly, but it is just a tool. How will you use it to your advantage? Take the opportunity to prepare, strengthen, and align yourself with the destiny that awaits you. Remember, no matter what happens, you have everything you need within you to win. So, it is time to take action. What are you going to do with the time you have now? What choices will you make? How will you respond to this call? The power is in your hands, and I am sure you will make the right decision. Let's go together, with courage, faith, and love, towards the bright future that awaits you. Let these words touch your spirit and resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and is going to ensure a positive outcome, regardless of your choices. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings it brings to you, leave a positive comment for other viewers who need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's support each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message coming in the next video. May God and the universe light your paths with peace, love, and faith. Amen.